Today, I'm fixing my future because someone has to. If you start my savings and investment plans with Old Mutual today, then my future will be smoother than Dad's head. So you get advice from the people at Old Mutual, and I'll get those gold stars to make you proud. Any questions?
Do future doctors pack their own lunches?
Start their journey by speaking to an Old Mutual financial advisor today. Invest in their future. Do great things every day.
It is TV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. Orlando Pirates getting their first win of the 2025-2026 Betway Premiership season after beating Stellenbosch, their hoodoo team at Orlando Stadium. The last time Orlando Pirates beat Stellenbosch, it was at this very same stadium. A couple of years ago, one of your favorite players was wearing your number. Orlando Pirates winning by 4-1. I stand to be corrected in the league game. That's when Orlando Pirates, the last time they beat Stellenbosch, they beat Stellenbosch by 4-1. Yeah. Now it's been Stellenbosch winning against Orlando Pirates or drawing, but in cup games, Orlando Pirates coming up victorious. But namhlanje Orlando Pirates collecting their first 3 points of the season. Mr. Tsoenso, mandokubulisa mhlekazi kunjani?
Ngibulise Mr. Nkiwu. Ngibulise Stizi. Ngibulise chairman my chairman. Ngibulise Bobo Cardoso nomfana wami lapha noLindo Mgwena Paul umfana wami. Nomhlekazi omhle.
Mr. Tsoenso.
Ongasuphupha ngecawe. Shane my Shane.
Mr. Tso.
Ngiyabona Shane ukuthi ngenza njani. Yeah, I'm in business now. Yeah, you know Shane mawumdala mawuqala unyathela. Awufani nomntwana ona 18 ona 20 ovela sokumi athi masishane phela mina mele ngisume ngibalance kahle ngibona ukuthi ngiyathela kahle Shane ngajaha ngoba phela manje uzojaha ngaphuka nokuphuka ngasafiki la ngiyakhona so ke manje ke i-team enkulu injalo ke besacathuza man sithi siyanyathela sahlatshwa lapha kancane sasanyathela nangapha sahlatshwa nangapha aman sesezwe ukuthi no
siyanyatheleka
yeah sekuright manje sesanyathela ke manje bese kufanele ukuthi Stellenbosch we need to teach them a lesson. Yeah. We need to teach them a lesson.
Before to the game, was it a 1-0 scoreline in the game? Make suppose you play 1-0 go jogging.
No. It was a very interesting game. When to be really honest, I think the score should be maybe 2-1, 3-2, there and there, because I would say it was a game of two halves.
Yeah.
Even though not clearly the whole half, is still is. But I can give them maybe about maybe 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Yeah, they had a game for about that 20 minutes, and then the Pirates, they came to the party. They had chances. Look, good goals. Lomfana Losbelebele. There's something about this boy, Shane, that he's doing it and he's doing it right. He find himself in good positions and he take chances, And the one advantage that the team has got about this boy, and that is a very, 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 very important thing, is that he can play as a winger. He can play as a right back.
As a right back, yeah.
After the injury, Van Rooyen, sorry my boy,
speed recovery to him.
Yeah, man,
Speed
please come back, boy. We need you. Listen, we need you. You've got a long way. We're gonna go to the final of the MTN 8. We need you. We're gonna go for Champions League. We need you, my boy. Please make sure you look after yourselves. Come back.
Is he going to the final of the MTN 8? So,
Shane. Let me finish here first. I will tell you. I'm coming there. Yeah, Shane. It was a very interesting game, and I like how Coach Wadu, how he balanced the team after Van Rooyen went out.
Yeah.
And I said it. Now he can put Umbule, play him as the number 10, and then Sibelebele come back, and then Fukeng left, and Police right. And
He didn't panic after
no,
injury.
no. Look, that smart move, calm and collected.
Yeah.
He moves his players very nicely. You know, you couldn't. You know, if somebody else just came in and watched the game, you would say there was no change. You know, because the game flow very nice, and Umbule came to the game. The game didn't drop. This boy. That's why I like
What
this
a
boy.
special player.
Yeah, I know. That's why I like this boy. No, Shane, I'm one person that likes nice things. You know, when I see a player that is good, he will always be close to my heart because I love good players.
I mean, it's coming from you, so I mean, it's coming from you. If a legend like yourself can give a compliment to a player like Umbule, Umbule naye, he should take that as a something special because you are one of the greatest players like PSL. Played at the highest level. He went to Denmark, but here in South Africa, everyone knows who Benedict Vilakazi is. So if the compliment is Sogague, surely Umbule should take note.
Look, Shani, let me say this firstly. I even had an opportunity to talk to him.
Yeah.
I spoke to him, tried to encourage him, talk to him, and to make sure that he tries to, don't think about off the field things and try to focus on his career because he's one of the players that is so special that we don't have. We don't have. It's so difficult to find a player like him. And when you've got it, as a nation, we need to try and protect. That talent because it takes us years to get players like Abombule, like Abomfukeng, Abotito. Look at Tunduli in that midfield. It's not easy. That you cannot wake up tomorrow or next week or next month and then now we've got that player. No, it takes years to get players like that. So, yeah, I spoke to him and I'm so happy to see him playing, displaying the skill that is displaying that midfield. And good team, Stellenbosch. I like Coach Steve Parker. He's got a very good team.
Yeah.
Very good team, There were moments where I was like, hey, Stellenbosch don't score.
There was a moment, second half, when he brought in those 4 players.
Oh, Pili,
De Jong, Kiba. Yay. So, and then Stellenbosch started playing. You could see De Jong, he was very mobile. He wanted to create problems for Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
So, tell me about those subs.
And I said when he's putting 4 players, that means he wants to score. And eventually, the creativity, how they control the ball, they build up from the back midfield, going to that final third. That boy Pili. Shane. Shane. That's why I'm saying, when I see special players like about Pili, about De Jong. I mean, De Jong, yes, I understand they would say, no, he's old, blah, blah, blah. But look at the quality. That means he can give you something, this guy, for the next 2-3 seasons, comparing to other players that we've got. So that was a very nice game. I enjoyed the game, especially the last 20 minutes where Stellies were there in the box of Orlando Pirates, China had to make some saves, and also Pirates creating chance. But should I go down with my knees? Do you allow me to do that?
Oh,
Dizzy, can you catch me if I go down with my knees?
Mr. So-and-so.
Otto, please, Otto. That's why I wanted to go down with my knees. I want to beg you. In that final third, take your time. Why in the hurry? You've passed a defender. You are 1v1 with the keeper. Take your time. Go closer. Choose a spot nicely. Why short? Why power?
Right. Mr. So, I mean, that was an opportunity to finish the game. I mean, first half, there was an opportunity missed by Apolis, but that was a clear-cut chance, Lega Hoto.
Yeah.
And imagine, Yazi, when a player misses a chance in here, I always pray ukuthi okay le team uyidlalelayo mayiwine, because imagine if Stelis had found an equalizer, everyone was going to be on his back for the whole week up until the Sundowns game. But Mr. So-and-so, I've already gotten a signal from Ustizi.
Okay.
Ukuthi masivale but mandunike nje a couple of seconds before sivale.
Yeah, well done to the coach, to the technical team, to the players. You know, I'm proud of you boys. You know, you've shown quality. You've shown why you have to play for that team, for that batch. You know, you've worked very hard, and I'm very, very impressed with all of you guys. You know, I just gonna ask three players, Woto, Dlamini, and Mabasa. Just a little bit of your socks, boys. Just a little bit. I understand the tempo of the game, especially for you two, Dlamini and Mabasa. The tempo of the game was high. I understand that. Try a bit, not too much, just a bit of the socks. But well done too. Ezimnyama ngenkanza ke pulumos ngama spala. Sawenzo wow. Bakari fasa.
So Yazi, I have a little message. There's a friend of mine, Pofi Hotman Lam, Lasse Tepen. Batingu million Masimbiza, a very, very big Orlando Pirates fan. And I'm trying for the Lexine. Uti, Yazi Shane. Kuna ngikhathazayo ntwana yami. Kune player yami, an Orlando Pirates player, my favorite player for Orlando Pirates of all time. Uti, but there's one thing in ngikhathazayo ukuthi le player played his heart out for this team. But he supports another team that I hate so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So Orlando Pirates 1. Stellenbosch 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.